What up, YouTube? So today's gonna be part 3 of the K20z1 Type S Eclipse, and right now it's time to start getting this bay prepped. So we got to take off this, basically this mount right here, and we're gonna be taking it out so we can put the new mount where the K-series. We're gonna remove that mount. We need to move the power steering lines. We're gonna have to figure out how we're gonna run the new power steering as well. Clean up everything. We got everything pretty much sprayed down, so once we spray it'll look a lot better when we drop the motor in here. So we're gonna get rid of all these little plastic metal brackets and everything we're not gonna use in here, and then we'll start getting that off. We get to take these off as well, and then we'll get the motor over here. We'll swap out the clutch. We'll put the tranny back on, and then we'll start a pre-mount and get everything kind of in position, and then that'll probably be pretty much it for this video. We'll kind of run the harness, run little things here and there, kind of get everything up to prep, and yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. Kind of getting everything cleaned up and get rid of this automatic shifter arm, and just get everything as clean as possible and hopefully mount it up in here, and that'll pretty much be it. So we'll go ahead and start getting rid of all the little things we don't need, and then we'll come back. All right, so we're back now, and we got the bay cleaned up a little bit, so it looks a little better in here. We got this mount shaved off over here, so this is what you're gonna have to take off in order for you to get the new bracket we're gonna be placing with the new mount. And so we gotta basically get this. I got the clutch ready to go, so we gotta get our new clutch onto the motor. I just took the motor out from the backyard, so we're gonna get this new clutch we got, fresh Exetti, and then we can install the transmission back, and then we can start semi-mounting this motor in. I still need to take the power steering off real quick, but other than that, yeah, we're gonna do the clutch real fast, get the transmission back on, and try to get this thing mounted up real quick. All right, so we got the K20z1 over here, pressure washed down, getting ready to throw the new clutch on here. So after that, we can throw the transmission back on, and then we're getting ready to pretty much get the mounts in here. So we got the plate. Now we just got to put the mount and brackets onto that, and then we can get it installed. We'll put the ear on, and then the plate for this side, the driver's side, we'll get that plate on, measured up to get in here. And yeah, I should have the motor installed by the end of this video, so we can see how it's gonna look. So yeah, we're gonna get to the clutch, install the transmission back on, and then we'll get back to getting this thing installed. All right, guys, we're back now, and the K20z1 is officially swapped in here now. Everything's bolted up, ready to go. Now we just have to pretty much get all the electronics going, ECU pretty much wired up. We got to get the exhaust on here, intake, radiator. Still got a lot of stuff to do, shift linkage and everything, but it's in here now. So next video, we'll be doing all the little stuff, shift linkage, getting the exhaust ready, getting the radiator mounted up, and then we're gonna start testing out and try to figure out how to get power steering on this car. So a lot of little things we got to figure out. I did get the wiring for the windshield wiper, so I do know how to wire that back up now. The last two that I didn't have the windshield wipers, so we're gonna get those working. We're gonna get the heater on this car. The heater wasn't working on this car, I think because the hoses were bypassed, so we're definitely gonna get functioning heater for it. Yeah, we got to get the axles on here as well. Still got a little couple things to do, but we're pretty much there as far as the swap being in here. So this is officially the number 4 of the K-swaps that I've been doing. We got another one actually coming as well, so stay tuned for that one. That's going to be K24, K20, and the Eclipse. So other than that, if you guys haven't, like, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on the next video.